In this video, we will be reviewing the financing marketplace. The financing marketplace is comprised of two different financing options, financing and payment arrangements. For this module, we will learn more about the payment arrangements option and what features our customers will have access to. This option provides a solution to patients without a Social Security number or who have challenges qualifying for traditional financing. The financing marketplace contains two options, financing and payment arrangements. Both are patient-led and have short, intuitive application forms that effortlessly guide the patient through the journey. When approved, patients are presented offers in a side-by-side comparative display. Decisions are instant and funding occurs within 24 hours. Selecting the Financing Marketplace button inside of Eaglesoft will launch the Financing Marketplace in a browser. The beginning of the payment arrangement flow is identical to the financing flow. The patient will still be expected to choose a device to continue the process on, and also confirm their responsible party's demographics before continuing. Patients can be directed to payment arrangements three different ways. The first way is by choosing to not enter a Social Security number. The second way is by not qualifying for financing options. This could be due to credit challenges from the applicant. The third would be by clicking to explore the payment arrangement option on the product offers page. Patients that are directed to payment arrangements will first land on this screen. They can then modify the initial payment amount and the number of months the payment plan will last. The product will then calculate the monthly payment based on their selections. Patients are then given the ability to choose their payment date. The product will then display their payment schedule for review and confirmation. Dates that are in bold are available for selection. Patients will select Add to enter payment card information. Once payment card information has been added, the patient can choose to edit that information at any time. For convenience, patients can check use this card for future monthly payments to use the same card for future monthly recurring payments. At this point, additional cards can be added and kept on file for backup purposes. It is important to note that an initial payment card and monthly payment card information is needed to continue. Backup card information is not required to continue, but highly recommended. Here is an example of what a possible payment arrangement agreement might look like. Patients then review and sign the payment arrangement agreement. Electronic signatures will be captured directly within the payment arrangements product. If the patient would like a copy of this agreement, it can be printed once signed, or an electronic copy can be provided to the patient. To wrap things up, the patient will be directed to a page that informs them that their initial payment has been approved and will be prompted to hit Done. The last page will ask the patient to give feedback on a 0 to 5-star scale and write any comments or suggestions that might help us improve our product. They can then choose to end the session.